Hi guys! It's Kiki and welcome back to Shocking Science channel. Do you know why there's something weird on my hand right now? I don't know, but yeah, because today we're going to talk about plants. Let me say, the science of plants. Will it feel sad when someone cuts their leaves? And can you communicate with them? These questions sound like it doesn't make sense. Are you crazy talking to a plant? Well, let's take a look at the facts. A gardener in Australia discovered that there is an obvious difference between the plants that placed near the stereo corner and placed away from the corner. The most productive plants were placed near the stereo corner. He said that the plants preferred mostly classical, but that he had recently had better results with recordings of crickets. Crickets usually chirp right before rain. He theorized that the sound tricked the plants to open their stomatas, the breathing pores on the underside of the leaf, and he gave them a mist containing Miracle-Gro which they readily absorbed. So, can plants actually hear sound? This was the conclusion of Cliff Baxter, the former CIA interrogation specialist back in the 1960s. He connected the polygraph sensors to the plants and discovered that they reacted to harm, for example, cutting their leaves, and even to harmful thoughts of humans in proximity to them. The other experiment, when he dropped water to the leaf according to the polygraph results, the plant generated a curve similar to that of a human being experiencing happiness. In fact, he found plants can react in the moment to events taking place thousands of miles away. And not only are they psychic, they also are prophetic, anticipating negative and positive events including weather. An Indian scientist, Dr. Jagadish Chandra Bose, invented an instrument named crystallograph and did many experiments on plants. A famous biologist, Dr. Bose, showed that plants can feel in their own way. Suppose there is a large green plant and its leaves are a sparkling green in the shining sunlight. We feel like pulling out a leaf to feel it, but we do not think of what goes on inside the plant. Maybe we feel that the plant does not suffer like us, but the plant does suffer. Dr. Bose also expounded on the nervous mechanism of plants, the ability of plants to recognize and react to the individual who has committed an act of violence, particularly toward a plant in their presence. The coniferous plants such as the Venus flytrap have the reactions to external stimuli. It's almost instantaneous response touch, and the way the plant snapped its trap shut around on the insect indicated the presence of a central nervous system, such as that of an animal. Many experiments already proved that plants have nervous mechanism. According to botanist Bill Williams of Helvetica Institute, plants not only seem to be aware and to feel pain, but they also can even communicate with us. So, what about the vegetarian? Should they stop eating? Some of the research has prompted the Swiss government to pass the first ever plant Bill of Rights. It concludes that plants have moral and legal protections, and the Swiss citizens have to treat them appropriately. Vegetarians would do well to investigate this data before claiming to be superior to those of us who do not subscribe to the idea that eating meat is morally wrong. If plants can hear, can they also feel? Plants also cooperate with unrelated members of their own species. For example, acacia trees produce tannins themselves as a protection from the nearby animals. Plants have been known to use chemicals to interact with animals. When attacked by caterpillars, some plants can release chemical signals to attract parasitic wasps that attack the caterpillars. Plants are survivors, so it is not surprising that they have developed the abilities to communicate and cooperate with each other. So it's clear enough that plants also have feelings just like us and deal with its own way to react to the external factor. We hope after you watch this video, together we can save the plants and save the world. Keep it green, guys! Hi guys!
Hi!
Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to click here to subscribe! And if you like this video, click the like button here. Bye!